ESA's PROBA family is soon to be extended with a third satellite that will send into orbit PROBA V, V for vegetation. While earlier PROBA satellites were in essence demonstrators for testing new innovative technologies, PROBA V will be the first PROBA satellite assigned an operational mission from the start of its development. This new Earth observation satellite will deliver information continuously about the status of vegetation across our whole planet. And it also embarks experimental technology payloads.
That is one of the elements that promotes the PROBA program, is to fly new technologies and to be precursor on certain number of domains before it goes to operational satellites, or to demonstrate that this technology is valuable for the future.
For example, key technology payloads on board the PROBA V are a new reception system for air traffic communications and a new high-density fiber optic system. But vegetation is the absolute key to this PROBA's mission. The vegetation payload has been flown aboard French SPOT satellites since 1998. But as there was no room for it on new SPOT satellites, ESA opted for a dedicated PROBA platform. So PROBA is now a small satellite with the vegetation instrument as a big payload, a major change for the industry, in particular for the Kinetic company.
The original vegetation payload is bigger than the whole spacecraft that you see behind me. What we needed to do is to miniaturize the payload so that it could fit on a PROBA-like satellite. And with the new technologies that have been developed in the optics, we have actually been able to reduce the size and the mass of this payload to fit on a standard PROBA platform.
Although the payload is smaller, its performance has actually improved. Thanks to instrument advancement, PROBA V will be able to cover a swathe over 2,000 kilometers of the Earth's surface at every pass, double the previous range. This enhanced payload will give scientists a daily overview of the global vegetation growth, and will also guarantee the continuation of the existing vegetation dataset, thereby playing a key role in Earth observation.
PROBA V will give us an indication on the status of the vegetation, but also on the changes, and those changes can occur either within a year or also between the years. This will give us insight into the changes of the land cover and of the vegetation, and will help us to look at, for example, changes introduced by mankind, agriculture, forestry and usage of the land cover.
A small but smart satellite, PROBA is a solid illustration of what space can bring. And with this vegetation mission, another technological achievement that will help us better understand our planet.